Did you know buyers love listing videos and are more likely to purchase an item if the listing includes a video? Now, this data is based on an analysis of over 5 million buyers, comparing the purchase behavior of those who were shown listing videos to those who were not. So if you are currently an Etsy seller who is not using listing videos, I highly recommend that you jump on board and start using them as soon as possible. In this video, I wanted to share some quick video tips and what you need to know when getting started with video listings. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So the video could be anywhere from 5 to 15 seconds long. And any videos that are longer than 15 seconds will be clipped. So just keep that in mind. Etsy doesn't feature sound, so you want to make sure to let your product do the talking. And some additional quick tips that Etsy recommends are to make sure that you film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Make sure to adjust your settings, right, to record high resolution videos. Aim for 1080p or higher. Crop your video after you upload it so you could get the correct dimensions. And don't forget that the max file size is 100 megabytes. Now, I recommend using a light box. You could find one on Amazon for cheap. And it's going to really help you elevate your listing videos to the next level. And you can also use it for your regular photos as well. Now, please note, video crops to square on iPhone are compressed to a low resolution quality when uploaded via phone. So it's going to result in an upload error. So if you prefer to use a square aspect ratio on your videos, you could upload the cropped videos via desktop so you could avoid compression. So always keep that in mind as well. I hope that these tips were helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you are planning to do video listings or if you have been using them. And thanks for watching.